Hello guys, welcome back. This is ChiCodeCrafty. So from our last video, we started a series on software testing where we went through the calculator class and wrote some basic tests for the calculator class. Okay. I also talked to you guys about the AAA pattern, the arrange, the act, and the sat pattern, and how it helps us, write our code so that it's more readable. Okay. Now you can see one of the importance now of writing this test is, let's say we have a developer who wants to work on this calculator class and he wants to add some more functionality to this add method. And while he was doing that, he probably by mistake introduced a bug, to this add method. Now you can see this +1, this bug here. Let's just, take this as a bug. You can see it's changing the main intention of this add method, right? It's adding an additional value to this add method. Now you would see that once the developer starts working and he tries to build his project, okay, he will notice that, oh, I have a test failing, right? So with that, he can easily figure out what the issue is and then fix whatever issue, that he found. And then he can go back, run the test. Once everything is good, he can proceed further with his work. All right, let's write another basic test for this class called shopping cart. Now let's see what this class does. It has just, a basic functionality: add item to the cart, remove item from this items array, and then get the count of the array. Okay, let's just write a simple test for this. So we're going to create a class shopping cart test. Good. So we bring in our class shopping cart. So let's write this basic test. We'll add items to the carts and then we check for how many items we've added to the carts, just to make sure that our functionality is actually working correctly. So we have a void. Okay, so add item, add our test annotation, same pattern, arrange, acts, and the sats. So right here, what do? Shopping carts dot add item, add bag, shopping cart dot add item, and a shoes. Okay, so this is the arrange. So the acts would be, so this is going to be the act and arrange and act, arrange and act. Okay, and then for the assert, we want to assert equals, that will have 2 items in the cart. So we say shopping cart dot what, get item counts. So we should have 2 items currently in the cart because we just added 2 items right here. Okay, let's get rid of this and if we run our tests, good, passes, right? So let's test the method to remove items from the carts, which is this remove item right here. You can see it just does items dot remove, right? So we need to test to make sure that this is actually working correctly. So we have void remove items. Okay, good. Have our tests here, arrange and acts. So let's do this. Shopping carts dot add, watch shopping cart dot add. What do we add? Pencil, for instance. And let's do this shopping cart dot remove this. Okay, so when we do our assert equals, then we should only have one item in our shopping cart dot get item count. Now let's run this. Good. Let's add 2 just to make sure that our test is actually working correctly. This should fail because we presently have just one item remaining in the shopping cart because we removed the pencil, right? We added watch, pencil, and then we removed pencil, so we should only have one present. So let's run this. It should fail. Good. You can see expected 2, but the actual was 1. Good. So now let's run everything together. Awesome. So that's it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also click on the notification bell down below so you could easily get an update once I post a new video. Alright guys.